guys, here I am at Walmart and I'm in the home aisle over here, so let's see what they have, guys. So over here I'm noticing, okay, we have a box of the 4 wine glasses, but I don't see a price. I think, oh no, those are the aprons. I'm not seeing a price on the wine glasses, but here are the reusable silicone stainless steel straws, 5-piece. I still don't know where the price is for that, but we have these tumblers. This bucket right here, this is huge. And then those plastic plates, this must be outdoor wear. Then we have the kitchen towels. How many come in the pack here? 5 come in the pack of these flour sack towels, and they're $4.47. Then over here we have the towels, and those are the 6-pack of the bar mop towels, and those are $5.96. And then these over here in the plain white are $5.48. So then you have these Clorox ones, the 3-pack of the dish ones for $3.47. And then these for $2. This is a 4-pack of the red dishcloths for $2.92. So then you come into the kitchen towels, and I think those are each, each $1.94. And then here you have the 5-pack of kitchen towels. Look how pretty those are, guys. These are really nice. Those are $9.96. And then you have this kind right here. These with the owls are so cute. And then these right here, those are $9.96. And then these right here, this remind me of the Pioneer Woman. Then you have the 2-pack of the kitchen towels for $4.97, and then this pack here for $5.94. So then you have the pack, the kitchen set, the gloves and the hand mitts, the 5-piece set for $4.97, and they come in this color and the burgundy color. So then you have that one right there, the Cuisinart. And here is the Pioneer Woman. Those are $10.88. And those are kitchen towels. These are the regular kitchen towels, and those are $4.97. Then you have right here the kitchen mats, and those run $13.74. These are $9.97. And then the rubber ones are $13.74 in those colors. So then they have this kind right here, $5.88. And then we get into the mugs. How cute, guys. I love the mugs here. Look at these. I never seen these before. These are magical stay, unicorn mug, and coaster. Isn't that beautiful, guys? That makes a nice gift. $9.88. And then that one. And you have the Faith ones. I love the Faith ones. Good morning, wifey, hers, coffee. Those are really nice. Oh, look, the Golden Girls. Isn't that adorable? I never seen this before. $4.86. And this cow one is really nice too. And then here's the sloth ones. Oh my God, I'm loving these mugs, guys. They're so nice. So then you have your tumblers over here, and they run. And here they go. And they run from $5.98 all the way up to $20, guys. It depends on the size of them. Then you have the cups over here, and the mugs, and the faux copper, and I'm loving these iridescent ones. $2.76, and then the regular tumblers. Pioneer Woman 12-piece set, $49.97. It says 12 pieces. Yeah, that's what it says. Okay, and then the serving bowls next to it, $24.88. And then look, guys, they even have the little small, like sauce little dishes, $1.96 each one. And then the salt and pepper shaker, and then you have the butter dish. They're beautiful, guys. And here you have your tins, and I'm loving this for salt and pepper. I'm absolutely loving these wooden $5.98. I love those. And look at this. I never seen this before, guys. It's wrapped in plastic, $5.96. I'm loving that. Let's see what else they have. We have some more tumblers along the top, and I'm absolutely loving these huge mason jars, guys, but there's no price. Oh my God, they will make such nice, to replace the canisters on top of your counter. And here they go down here. They're huge, guys. Anyway, they have some tumblers and then some scrub brushes, and this is just an area, seems like, where they tossed everything. Then over here you have the little mini refrigerators, and then you have your plastic containers over here, and your Lazy Susans and your dish racks. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Walmart to look in their home section, and I'll see you guys in another video.